This is Pat with Overnight Composites, and we're here at our shop in Colorado, up in the mountains, our development facility. And I wanted to show you some cool new stuff that we've been working on. And anyhow, so the first thing that I've got are internal connectors. So if you look at these, our external connectors are usually going around the outside of the tube, and this is a 10 millimeter tube, and this is a 10 millimeter tube, and look how small it is. It's about 80% the strength of the bigger connectors, so they're not quite as strong, but they're definitely a clean line. They're easy to install, and anyhow, I thought you might like to see that. So here is the connector, the same connector, the internal one. Whoops, and there's the existing one. So this is stronger by 20%, but this is lighter and less strong. It still carries some of the 5 millimeter screws for the 10 millimeter connector. So we've got a socket head cap screw that goes into each of these, and these are threaded and these are not. And so we've really tried to bring the weight down on the connector and get you something that's super strong. So you're still going to have a hard time breaking our composite material. So the next thing I wanted to show you was we did it, Acto Robotica. We built an adapter for the Acto Robotica line, and so this is a connector that bridges you into composite connectors. So this is for a 6 millimeter tube, and you get these end caps that you can bring the tubing through and then start working your way around on your design with that. So that's the next thing. The last thing that I wanted to share with you is this is our fabrication block that everybody's been using. So you know how you put in a tape measure, and then you measure off of there to the end of the pipe, and you adjust it and you crank down on the screw up top. So we took your advice and we wanted to drop the price, and so now we have a miniature fabrication block. So this again screws down onto your table like the other ones, and then you use the set screws up top to tighten it down. So again, we heard what you're saying, get the price down, so you'll start seeing all these new things coming up on the storefront. So anyhow, keep going, don't stop making, and have a great day. Thank you.